Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Acura MDX. 2011 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive, unmatched power, luxury, and technology. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Acura has less than 159,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2011 Acura MDX SH, all-wheel drive W/Tech, a true gem. Powered by a 3.7L V6 engine with 300 horsepower and 270 feet-pounds of torque, it feels like a rocket on wheels. This beauty comes loaded with features, a tech package with navigation, a premium sound system, and a rear-view camera. Say goodbye to getting lost and struggling with parking. Enjoy the comfort of heated front seats, making winter drives cozy. The exterior boasts a stunning polished metal metallic finish, guaranteed to turn heads. Inside, the black leather interior is as soft as a baby's bottom, ensuring you feel like royalty every time you drive. Worried about fuel economy? This MDX gets 16 mpg in the city and 21 on the highway, not bad for such a powerful ride. With only one previous owner and a clean Carfax report, this vehicle is in excellent condition. What are you waiting for? Visit our dealership and take this magnificent 2011 Acura MDX for a spin. You won't be disappointed. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.